Hi students, good morning. So now continuation of in atomic structure, some numericals, de Broglie concept and Heisenberg uncertainty principle. So write down some problems. Yesterday given 2 or 3 problems. So remaining problems, now I will start. The mass of proton, the mass of proton, the mass of proton, the mass of proton with wavelength, with wavelength 3.6 angstrom unit is 3.6 angstrom unit is 3.6 angstrom units is 3.6. So 3.6 angstrom units is the given 4 options. The given 4 options. First option 6.135 into 10 to the power of minus 33 kg. 6.135 into 10 to the power of minus 27 kg. 4.126 into 10 to the power of minus 29 kg. 4.126 into 10 to the power of minus 25 kg. Minus 25 kg. In this case, listen. The mass of proton with wavelength 3.6 angstrom units given. Formula lambda equal to h by mv. They given kilograms. Mass they given kilogram means Planck constant value joules. Velocity of light meters. Simply 6.625 into 10 to the power of minus 34 by mass of electron. 9.1 into 10 to the power of minus 31 by velocity. So, they given mass of proton, they given mass of proton. That means m equal to h by lambda v. M equal to h by lambda v. H means 6.625 into 10 to the power of minus 34 by lambda value 3.6 into 1 angstrom is equal to 10 to the power of minus 10 meters. 10 to the power of minus 10 velocity 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. The given mass kilograms means Planck constant value joules. Velocity. So angstrom units equal to 10 to the power of minus 10 meters. 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meters. Velocity of light. After that, one see. Next calculation here. So 6.625 into 10 to the power of minus 34. 6.625 10 to the power of minus 34 by 6.625 10 to the power of minus 34 by 3.6 into 10 to the power of minus 10 into 3 into 10 to the power of 8. 3 into 10 to the power of 8. Here 3.6 into 3. 3.6 into 3. 10.8. 6.625 into 10 to the power of minus 34 by 10.8 into 10 to the power of minus 2. 6.625 by 10.8 into 10 to the power of plus 2. Plus 2 means 10 to the power of minus 32. Simply I am taking 66.25 by 10.8 equal to 10 to the power of minus 33. 66.2 by 10.8 means nearly 6 times. 6 times is all are correct. Simply 6.135 into 10 to the power of minus 33 kg. So which option correct? So first option correct. So write down. So first option correct. option correct. Write down. Next problem. Second problem. Problem number 2. So problem number 2, write down. If the velocity of electron, if the velocity of electron in Bohr's first orbit, in Bohr's first orbit, in Bohr's first orbit, is 2.19 into 10 to the power of 6 meter per second. The de Broglie wavelength, the de Broglie wavelength is 4 options. First option 332 picometers, 313 picometers, 3.32 picometers, 3.13 picometers. If the velocity of electron Bohr's first orbit is 2.19 10 to the power 6 meter per second, the de Broglie wavelength is same model. We know formula. Simple formula, lambda equal to h by mv. Lambda equal to, now I am taking simply meters, I am taking 6 point, the given velocity meters given. Velocity given meters. Meter means 6.625 into 10 to the power of minus 34. Velocity meters means energy value joules. Okay. Mass 9.1 into 10 to the power of minus 31 into velocity given. Velocity 2.19 into 10 to the power of 6. 2.19 into 10 to the power of 6. After that 6.625 into 10 to the power of minus 34 by 2.19 into 9.1. 2.19 into 9.1. 29. 9, 2, 9, 19 point. 3 position means 19.929. 19.929. 19.929 into 10 to the power of minus 25. 19.929 is nothing but simply 20. There 20 value. Nearest 20 value. Nearest value 20. So after next 6.625 into 10 to the power minus 34 10 to the power 25 by 20. Next, simply lambda equal to 6.625 into 10 to the power minus 9 by 20 or 66.25 by 10 to the power minus 10 by 20. The 20 means 3 times, nearly 3 times, 3.3, nearly 3.3 into 10 to the power minus 10 meters, 10 to the power minus 10 meters. 3.3 into 10 to the power minus 10 meters, these are answer. They convert into picometers. 1 picometer equal to 10 to the power minus 12 meters. Meter convert into picometer means divided by 10 to the power minus 12. That means lambda 3.33 into 10 to the power minus 10 by 10 to the power minus 12. That means 3.3 into 10 to the power 10 square. 10 square means 100. 100 into 3, so nearly 330. So 330 picometer means nearly, so 332. Sorry, 6.625, 66.25 by 20. Nearly 3.31. 3.317 into 10. Simply 3.31. 317 into 10 to the power minus 10. Simply 3.31, 3.32. 3.32 into 10 to the power square. That means 332 picometers. Here meters. Meter convert into picometer means divided by 10 to the power minus 12. We know 1 picometer equal to 10 to the power minus 12 meters. So answer 332 means first option. First option correct. Calculation. Next, problem number 3. So problem number 3. The wavelength of electron waves writing here down. The wavelength of electron waves in two orbits is 3:5. The ratio of kinetic energy of electrons will be options 25:9, 5:3, 9:25, 3:5. The given wavelength of electron waves given orbits, the ratio of kinetic energy, the wavelength of electron, wavelength given. We know one formula is there. Lambda equal to h by root KEM, that formula. simply lambda 1 by lambda 2 equal to root of ke2 by ke1. ke2 by ke1. The wavelength given. Wavelength means simply 3:5 given. So 3 by 5 equal to root of ke2 by ke1. Simply squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. After that formula. So 9 by 25 equal to ke2 by ke1. Therefore ke1 is to ke2 equal to 25 is to 9. 25 is to 9 means which option correct? First option. Because wavelength is inversely proportional to square root of kinetic energy. Lambda 1 by lambda 2 equal to root of ke2 by ke1. So squaring on both sides, 9 by 25 equal to ke2 by ke1. ke1 by ke2 equal to 25 by 9. So raised to ke1 is to ke2 equal to 25 is to 9. So first option correct. Write down. So problem number 4. Next problem number 4. Uncertainty in the position. Uncertainty in the position. Uncertainty in the position of an electron moving with velocity 300 meter per second, accurate up to 0.001%. 0.01% will be options 19.2 into 10 to the power of minus 2 meters, 5.76 into 10 to the power of minus 2 meters, 1.93 into 10 to the power of minus 2 meters, 3.83 into 10 to the power of minus 2 meters. Here. The uncertainty in the position of an electron moving with velocity 300 meter per second, accurate up to 0.01% will be the given velocity given. They asked how can calculate the position, uncertain position. We know formula delta x delta v is greater than equal to h by 4/5. Okay, simply delta x equal to h by 4/5. Uncertain the position of an electron moving with velocity, accurate will be Here mass also given. Once will be mass of electron also given. Mass of electron given 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kilograms. Here mass also given. Unset in the position of an electron moving with velocity 300 meter per second, accurate up to 0.01% will be mass of electron also given. In this case formula delta x m delta v is greater than equal to h by 4/5. In this formula required mass also. Here delta x equal to h by 4/5 mv required. 4/5 mv required. After that, here velocity given. Velocity 300 meter per second, accurate 0.01% means these are 100. Calculation. Okay, these are 100 means 0.001% accurate. That means 300 into 0.01 by 1000. So percentage means 100. Sorry. Here 0 cancel, 0 cancel. Simply 0.003. That means 3 into 10 to the power minus 3. 0.001 given. 0.001%. Percent means 0.001% is 100. 300. 20 cancel. Simply 0.003. 3 into 10 to the power minus 3. Velocity. Apply formula. Delta x equal to Planck constant. 6.625 into 10 to the power minus 34 by 4/5. 4 into 5 value 3.14. 5 is 22 by 7. 3.14 into mass of electron. 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 into velocity 3 into 10 to the power minus 3. After that 6.625 into 10 to the power minus 34 into 10 to the power minus 34. Minus 34 plus 34 cancel. Here plus 34 by these are value 4 into 3.14 into 9.1 into 3. So these are calculated. These are 12. 4 into 3.14 into once 4 into 3.14 into 9.1 into 3. 342. So 343. 6.625 by 343. 0.0193. 0.0193. 0.0193 nearest value. After that 0.0192. So meters. Their answer or their answer correct. They are not there. Simply points. I am taking 1.90 into 10 to the power minus 2 meters. It is also correct. It is also correct. Which option correct? So third option. Both are same. Both are same. Your answer not there with 0.019 is converted to 1.90 into 10 to the power minus 2. So third option correct. Third option correct. Write down next one. Problem number 6. So problem number 6. Uncertainty position. Uncertainty position. Uncertainty position of a particle. Of a particle 25 grams. 25 grams. 25 grams in a species. In a species 10 to the power of minus 5 meters. Hence, uncertainty in velocity bracket meter per second is within bracket h equal to 6.625 into 10 to the power of minus 34 joule second. Joule second. Options, 4 options given. 2.18 into 10 to the power of 28. 2.18 into 10 to the power of minus 24. 0.5 into 10 to the power of minus 34. 5 into 10 to the power of minus 24. Uncertain position of particle 25 grams of in a species 25 minus. Mass given, space, delta position given, velocity they asked. In this formula we know delta x m delta v equal to h by 4 5 formula. They asked velocity delta v equal to h by 4 5 into m into delta x, like that, m into x. Okay, substitute the values. Delta v equal to h 6.625 into 10 to the power of minus 34, long constant value 6.625. Simply delta v equal to 6.625 into 10 to the power of minus 34 by 4 5. 4 means 4 into 3.14 into mass 25 grams. Grams convert 25 grams given. Grams convert into kilograms means 10 to the power of minus 3 into x. Delta x given. Position given how much? 10 to the power of minus 5. 10 to the power of minus 5 meters. So apply formula in the calculation. 6.625 into 10 to the power of minus 34 into minus 8. Minus 8 plus 8 by 25 into 4, 100. 100 into 3.14. 6.625 into 10 to the power of minus 26 by 314. 6.62 by 314. Let's calculate. 6.625 by 0.021 into 10 to the power of minus 26. These are meters. After that, zero point 0.021 into 10 to the power of minus 26 meters, correct, or 2.1 into 10 to the power of minus 28 meters, correct. So first option, 2.1 into 10 to the power of minus 28 meter. So first option correct. Write down. Write down next problem. Okay, write down next problem. Next problem. Seventh problem, last. The mass of the electron. The mass of the electron 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 28 grams. And uncertainty and uncertainty in the velocity equal to 2 into 10 to the power minus 3 centimeter per second. The uncertainty position, the uncertainty in the position of an electron is within bracket h equal to 6.625 into 10 to the power minus 27 erg second. Options: first option, second, third, fourth option. 2.9 into 10 to the power plus 2 centimeters. 2.9 into 10 to the power minus 2 centimeters. 2.9 into 10 to the power minus 12 centimeters. 2.9 into 10 to the power plus 12 centimeters. In all cases 2.9 common. All cases 2.9 common. Which are to get one C? The mass of the electron grams given, velocity also centimeters given. Position they asked. We know formula, very easy. Formula we know. Delta x, m delta v equal to h by 4 pi, like that. They asked velocity. Delta v equal to h by 4 pi m delta x. H 6.625 into 10 to the power minus 27 ergs. The given answer centimeter means energy is So compulsory velocity or position centimeter means energy value x by 4 into 3.14 into mass. Mass of electron given 9.8 into 10 to the power 28. 9.8 into, sorry, here not 9.8, 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 28. Students, here 9.1, not 9.8. You write 9.1. General mass of the electron 9.1, not 9.8. 10 to the power minus 28 into delta x given. How much? They asked position. Sorry. Delta x equal to delta v. Velocity given how much? 2 into 10 to the power minus 3. 2 into 10 to the power minus 3. After that, 6.625 into 10 to the power minus 27. 10 to the power minus 31 plus 31. Writing here. 6.625 into 10 to the power minus 27 into 10 to the power 31 by 2. 4 into 2, 8. 8 into, listen. 8 into 3.14 into 9.1 equal to 228.5, 228.6. 228.6. That means 6.625 by 229 into 10 to the power plus 4. That means after that 6.625 by 229. 0.0289. 0.0289 into 10 to the power of 4. Now I am taking 2 digits. So these are answer centimeters. They are correct. The answer not there. Simply leave it. So R 0.029 into 10 to the power of 4 centimeters. That means 2.9 into 10 square centimeters. So answer of first option. It is also correct. It is also correct. All are options correct. Which option is tally? So these are first option. Okay, students. Okay, these problems, numericals on de Broglie wave concept, wave concept, and another one is Heisenberg concept. Next class I will start next concept. Next concept I will start. So Schrodinger equation and quantum numbers of orbitals like that. Okay, enough, dear students. Write down. Thank you for all.